The deep ocean. Focus question. How will special body parts help animals live in the deep ocean? Life in the deep. When you see the ocean, you see the top, ocean, but Earth's ocean are very deep. The deep ocean is different than any other place on Earth. It is dark as night. It is ice cold. Deep ocean animals. Special kinds of animals live in the deep ocean. These body parts help them live in the dark, icy water. Let's learn about some of these animals. Gopher eel. Gopher eels can eat fish bigger than they are. How? Their mouths open very wide. There's also their stomachs stretch like balloons. Viperfish. Viperfish has such big teeth that their mouths cannot close. Viperfish also glow in the dark. Other fish swim towards the glow and get eaten. Tripod fish. Tripod fish have 3 long fins. The fins touch the ocean floor. Tripod fish cannot see in the dark. They use their fins to feel things moving nearby. That way, they know when food is near. Caridian shrimp. The Caridian shrimp has a trick. If a fish swims close, the shrimp splits. The split glows in the dark water. The fish only sees the glow, not the shrimp. The shrimp swims away. Vampire squid. The vampire squid has 2 big red eyes. They are as big as golf balls. They help the squid see in the dark. To protect itself, the squid wraps its arm around itself like a cape. Pink sea cucumber. The pink sea cucumber sounds like a plant. It is really an animal. We can see through its body to the glowing organs inside. Brittle star. The brittle star is a kind of sea star. It has long arms. It can move fast. Some brittle stars glow. Glowing helps them find each other in the dark. Most of the deep ocean is very cold. Water heats up ground below the sea. Super hot water comes out of cracks in the ground. These cracks are called ocean vents. Some animals only live near ocean vents. They eat the food that grows in the hot water. Giant tube worms. Giant tube worms have no mouths and no eyes. To get food from the water, it has a special body part. It is red and looks like a feather. Vent crab. Vent crabs live in ocean vents too. They eat deep sea worms, clams, and smaller living things. Think about it. What might happen if an ocean vent stopped giving off hot water? Be a scientist. Make a model of the deep ocean near a vent. Choose your materials. You might use paper, clay, boxes, yarn, or other art supplies. Show the vent to some animals. Of the animals live near them. Also show parts of each animal that help it live in the deep ocean. Beyond the book. With your teacher help, use digital tools to learn more about one of the animals in this book.
Good job!